Welcome back to Monday. New week, new start. Will we get the welding done this week? Mostly not. Okay, hello. Welcome back. Thank you for everyone that voted in the poll to see whether I look like the farmer out of Shaun the Sheep. It was unanimous. Everyone thought I did. So that's great. That's very nice of you. So some panels arrived. I'll just talk through them. I keep saying it. I think we finally bought all the panels, but we will never know. Seat cross member. I think I ordered the right one. 2 curves, but you never do know. Whether I'm going to use it in one whole piece is another question. I might measure it up and actually just cut it and leave the centre section just because it's easier to do sometimes. But we shall see. So that's that. Also got a random front wing that you can see up there, and a front panel, which I'll talk about at another point when we actually get to do the front panel, which is getting closer. People that do follow the My Race Car project know I've got a front end on that car, so I'm thinking of chopping it off and using it to rebuild these bits that were chopped off originally. We shall see on that. To be honest, there's not much there to be remade anyway. It's just once this is straightened out, it's just a case of rebuilding the front edge to match the front panel, which we'll bolt to the subframe. We'll get the subframe bolted back in at some point. But anyway, for now, let's repair this bulkhead, and we'll nearly be finished. And then we'll be moving on to the door, I think, because that's next now, getting the door done. As always, had to cut a little bit more away than I first thought. Rust is always a bit further, so we'll just give it a go, patch it up, bit of tiger seal, job done. Okay, that's the sort of like original bulkhead floor tidied up. Just need to finish patching up the outer inner wing now. That's done. You could argue maybe a little bit patchwork quilty, but it'll do. It's solid. Clean up a little bit more once the inner A panel goes on there. No problems about strength or anything. So yeah, all good. Took a bit longer than I thought, so running out of time. But what we'll just do is we'll just spend 10 minutes before we have to finish up. And we'll just try and clean the door up a little bit, see what it's looking like, get the door handles off, things like that, get the rest of the door skin off, and just have a bit of a look to see what we've got to do. Okay, gonna have to call it for the night. I'll try and show you some of this, but someone hasn't tidied my floor up yet. So yeah, we got, hopefully you can see this. Can you see this? I don't know, can you? So, bought this channel. Need to check the other side. It does seem a bit short though. I would have thought it would have been a bit longer. But maybe this, I think this doesn't actually go all the way to the end. So there's a little bit of a gap either end. So yeah. But then how does that spot weld in? Because obviously it can't weld underneath because there's nothing there, so it must spot weld through from the side. So basically, I think this is an L section that goes round, but it goes underneath this channel. But this is a repair section, so maybe it's I don't know. Unless this is a U channel as well, so this goes under and up. It looks like it's double skin there maybe. And then this drops inside the U channel again. It's a bit hard to tell because there's so much rust. I'm going to have to have a look a bit online. Yeah, because I can see. Yeah, so I think it's definitely a U channel, and then there's a bit of angle under here that then spot welds it to the frame. So ideally, I haven't got a replacement for this U section. But that looks like a bit of a bugger to try and, because this U section is not too bad, bit of a repair up here, but it's not too bad. But what I might end up doing is cutting this side out so I can get to it completely, so I end up with an L section. Then this can be mounted, and I'll have to just make a new sheet that goes right along here with a bit of a folded edge. So yeah, quite a lot of repair to work. I'll have a look to see if I can get the U section, because it might be just easier just to lob the whole thing, cut the whole thing off. But anyway, yeah, have a quick look on the website, see if you can get the other section. You might be able to, it might be worth doing. Otherwise I'm going to have to just sort of get in there with an angle grinder, but as I said, I might actually just cut this whole section off, this side. Yeah, and then we've got quite a lot of repair to do. That's all gone there. But again, that should be fairly easy to cut out and repair. Got the bottom channel, which we've done before on the previous door, so you're going to have to do that. This back edge isn't too bad. And then yeah. So, quite a bit of work to get this door done, so a bit of a delay on the old project until we get this done, because until we get this door got a skin on it, we can't really mount the inner A panel because we can't be 100% sure. We need to know the door's going to fit in the aperture. And yeah, alright, enough.